I'd like to talk about calcium ion determination in water samples. In this test method, we need a certain amount of water, for example 50 grams of water sample. We need NaOH, caustic soda, for alkalize the water, monoxide powder as an indicator, and we use 0.02 normal solution of EDTA as titrant. We consider 2 ml of EDTA is used for titration of an unknown amount of calcium in 50 grams of water. At the beginning of the reaction, we add monoxide as an indicator. Acceptable pH for this test method should be completely alkalized. In this pH, magnesium precipitate in the form of hydroxide, MgOH. At the beginning of the reaction, calcium forms a complex with peroxide, and water turns pink because calcium monoxide complex is pink. After that, we titrate the solution with EDTA. I've already mentioned the normality of EDTA. EDTA can form a stronger complex with calcium, and monoxide will be released. When all amount of monoxide is released, purple color will appear. Distinguishing between pink and purple color is a little difficult. Be careful not miss the end point. Before color and after color. Pay attention to this slide. This is the sodium salt of EDTA. EDTA reacts with calcium in equivalent ratio, and valency of both of them is 2. This is the complex of calcium EDTA. Calcium coordinates through 2 oxygen and 2 nitrogen of EDTA. In the calculation part, we have this information. Normality of EDTA is 0.02 normal, means 0.02 equivalent of EDTA in 1000 ml of EDTA solution. We express calcium hardness based on calcium carbonate. Because of that, we used calcium carbonate molecular weight in the calculations. Equivalent weight formula is molecular weight divided by N, and N is metal or ligand valency, and for both calcium and EDTA is 2. We consider we use 2 ml of EDTA as titrant. Based on this information, we do calculation, and the amount of calcium in 50 gram of water sample is 0.002 gram. Pay attention to this part. Calcium hardness is expressed based on calcium carbonate, because one equivalent of calcium is 50 gram of calcium carbonate. 0.002 gram of calcium in 50 gram of sample. How many gram of calcium are there in 1 million gram of sample, water sample? The value is 40, and calcium concentration is 40 ppm. I hope this video is useful for you. In next video, I will talk about total hardness. Have a good day.